My husband just purchased a new Samsung Galaxy S24. So he picked up this screen protector on Amazon from Cozycase. So it came in today and it's supposed to be a full body, dustproof, heavy duty protection with camera cover. And he is a tradesman, so he needs something that will really keep his phone well protected. So this is a video of him assembling the case and putting it on his phone. I asked my husband what his thoughts were on the phone case, and he said it's a great size, perfect fit, and it's really lightweight. He likes it a lot. It's into place very securely, and the noise is quite audible, so you know that you've got it clipped in there. The front screen cover area of the phone is super slick. Your finger slides really nice on it. So this is what the phone looks like in the case. It looks really sleek and nice. It's also super durable. And next I will show you all the accessories that you'll be left over with that come with this case. So once you have the phone case put together, this is basically what you're going to be left with. And this is the front of the case. So again, it's waterproof, shockproof, dirtproof, and also snowproof. So that's great. You are left with this key. This is a key to help you open the case. There is also a dust rag as well, which can come in handy. This here is for the fingerprint film. So in order to protect the fingerprint area, you get 3 protective films here, and you can put that over the area, and then you use this to smooth out any bubbles. If your fingerprint area is not working, they give you these reusable dust stickers, so you can try and clean off that area with these reusable stickers that will pick up the dust, and your finger should work through the protective layer here. And then you also get a lanyard, a wrist lanyard as well. So there's more than enough to keep your phone protected for quite a while, and you get lots of extras with it, which is great.